Hi, this is Sanjeev from Kids Are Okay. We are here again on location at a project in Orissa in Urladani village. We're here at the children's home. This is our second visit over here. We made a visit over here last March, so we're here again after 10 months. This time it's three of us, Roy who's taking the video, it's myself. We have our founder of Kids Are Okay who's come with us as well. Alan, say hi to the camera.
Hey guys, great to be in Urladani village again. First time for me.
Right. We have brother Surendra Kumar Nayak, who's the one who's running the children's home.
Hi brothers and sisters, we are glad to be with us, brother Sanjeev, Alan and Roy in Kids Are Okay project at Urladani.
As you can probably see, the structure looks a lot different from when it was last time. There has been a lot of work that has gone in from the time we were here last time. So let's take a look around again, see what are the changes. So there was this building, this hall, this compound wall is all brand new. As you can see, the construction work is just going on right now with the laborers working. So from last time, if you remember, the living conditions of the children here were very bad. So this is just an effort to make the living conditions a little bit more better. The last time we were here, there was no water facility. So this time, Kids Are Okay has been able to provide a bore well. As you can see, this is a fully functional bore well. We also have a motor, to pump up the water. As you can see, the water is really pure. The previous water over here was almost brown in color. As you can see, this water is almost crystal clear. Let's just take a look at the hall inside over here.
Roy, watch your head.
Okay, as usual, Roy, watch your head. So this is the new hall over here. It's a multi-purpose hall. As you can see, it's much bigger than any hall or any room we had till now. So they could use this hall, to sleep during the night, to have classes, sessions, prayers, whatever during the day. Also, there is a plan to make this as like a two-story mezzanine kind of a structure. So if that happens, then we'll have a lot more room for several different activities, right? So quickly, I'm going to show you another gift again from Kids Are Okay to the children over here at the children's home in Urladani. This is a device called as the LifeStraw. So basically, this is just an effort to give clean drinking water to the children over here. Prior to this, they were falling sick very often, but this should solve that problem. LifeStraw is a device that you can put in any kind of dirty water into this device, and it will purify it with pure drinking water. As you can see, this is as good as any water that you can get. Okay, so follow me to the back. We have some more exciting things from Kids Are Okay. Last time, if you guys remember, we had a hot house here that was used for cooking purposes. This time, they are constructing a kitchen over here. It's a very spacious kitchen. So this is where the food will be cooked for the 60 children over here. Roy, if you can follow me to the back over here. This is where the food is being prepared, in the few days till when the kitchen gets fully constructed, but after that the food is going to be cooked inside. As you can see, this, one of the structures has been demolished, but still there is a structure here which is being used until the hall gets constructed. Once this is constructed, this will be demolished. This is kind of unsafe right now at the moment. As you probably know, we did not have any sanitation facilities for the children over here. They've just been using the river at the back for toilet purposes and bathing purposes. So now this is where we are constructing the toilets from faithful donors from Kids Are Okay. So we're going to be having toilet and bathing facilities for the boys and the girls separately. So a lot of progress, as you can see, has gone in over the last 10 months. All this is possible only because of your donations, your support to Kids Are Okay. All this is being supported 100% by Kids Are Okay donors. All the money that you guys have been donating is what is helping us accomplish this in this remote region. Thank you again. Alan, would you like to say something before we wind up? A big thank you to our donors.
Yes, definitely. I know you guys are not here physically present, but your donations, your love and your care has brought us here, and the children are very, very happy to see us and to receive all your gifts and your love, and we hope we transform this place and also transform the lives of the children, and and make really a difference in the lives of the children here in this remote place in India. And thank you again for your support.
Thank you.